Have you ever wondered why some individuals appear to get rich easy while others struggle all the time? Imagine if there was a money-making secret that was not widely known. Let us investigate the intriguing and little-discussed part of banking known as the secret world of money. You could believe it's all about obtaining a profitable career or being born into wealth, but there's more to it than that. The actual key is to recognize that money is more than simply coins and notes. It's a type of energy. Yes, it's about energy. Consider money to be a flowing stream, continually changing its course and nourishing everything in its path. You're probably wondering how this energy works. How can you utilize it to increase your money and success? This is the key question, and the answer is what we're looking for. Consider money to be a dynamic energy rather than just tangible cash. This is a fascinating thought. Money as a form of dynamic energy. The concept of money as energy has been around for a long time. In reality, the name currency comes from the Latin curre, which means to run or flow. Money is sometimes referred to as energy since it acts similarly. It is neither made nor destroyed, rather it changes. It moves from person to person, from account to account, continuously active and flowing. Money's vitality, however, is not only financial, it is also emotional. Consider how you feel when you receive your paycheck or find some money, unexpectedly happy and eager, relieved. That is money's emotional power, exactly like that. Our emotional strength is your channel support. So please subscribe and give us a thumbs up, thanks. Here's the interesting bit. Our contact with money, like any other energy, determines our ability to attract it. The energy you put out into the world is the energy you get back. You are more likely to attract money into your life if you treat it with gratitude, enthusiasm, and respect. If, on the other hand, you equate money with negativity, worry, or shortage, that's the energy you'll produce and that's what you'll attract. It's a cyclical process. Your financial existence will be shaped by your emotions and thoughts about money, as well as your energy toward it. It's not only about working harder or smarter to make more money. It's about changing your energy, your perspective, and your attitude toward money. It is knowing that money is a form of energy that you can attract, channel, and control rather than a physical substance. Money's vitality may be compared to that of a garden. Your financial well-being, like a plant, takes attention and care to develop. Consider sowing the seeds of good money ideas and deeds. Grow them with care, patience, and consistency, and watch them blossom into a happy financial future. On a Daglow level, this method changes the way we deal with money. Recognizing the flow of money in our life also requires understanding its energy. It is critical to strike a balance by spending carefully, saving diligently, and investing properly. Each financial choice is analogous to altering the sails on a boat, steering you through the turbulent waters of economic stability and growth. When your financial habits are in sync with the natural flow of money's energy, you open the door to new possibilities and prosperity. It is also critical to educate oneself on financial management and investing methods. Knowledge is power, and this is especially true in the world of money. Give yourself the skills and knowledge you need to make sound decisions. When this information is joined with a good attitude, it forms a strong combination that can lead to financial success. Using the law of attraction to create financial plenty demonstrates a simple yet deep notion. We attract what we focus on. When you have a favorable attitude regarding money, it will naturally attract toward you. Let's delve a little more into this concept. Understand that the law of attraction is not a magical charm that can create money out of thin air. It's all about how our ideas, beliefs, and behaviors interact. Consider it a mirror that reflects our inner projections. If you send out bad energy, you will most certainly face adverse occurrences. Exude a pleasant atmosphere, especially when it comes to money, and you'll attract beneficial financial experiences. It has less to do with magic and more to do with mentality. Our understanding of money is crucial. consider it a rare commodity, and it will evade you. However, when viewed as an abundant, free-flowing creature, it appears to eagerly approach you. This isn't about disregarding financial difficulties. It's about shifting our perspective to open up new possibilities. Take a look at this. If you accept financial hardship, your choices will most likely reinforce this view. You may avoid taking risks, pass up opportunities, and be hesitant to engage in your own development. If, on the other hand, you believe in your financial prosperity, your decisions will reflect that attitude. You'll be more likely to see opportunities, take sensible risks, and invest in yourself. The law of attraction does not work in isolation. It is part of a larger plan that requires action and attention. You can't merely imagine money and expect it to appear. You may, however, cultivate a mindset that recognizes the possibilities of riches in your life and then act appropriately. This law is about aligning your ideas and actions with your financial goals. It is about believing in your capacity to earn riches and taking efforts to achieve it. Changing your financial viewpoint starts with imagination, a powerful tool for creating your reality. Imagine yourself in your ideal financial situation, whether it's debt-free, owning your dream home, or having enough money to vacation. Through visualization, you train your brain to see them as realistic goals rather than just fancies. There are also affirmations. These are optimistic mantras that you repeat to yourself to counteract negative thoughts and self-doubt about money. Affirmations might help you have a more positive mindset. Try stating, "I effortlessly attract wealth or prosperity flows to me in abundance." Personalize, empower, and frame these affirmations in the present tense. Forget about the past and concentrate on the present and future. Gratitude, or appreciating what you have, no matter how small, can attract more abundance. It's easy to focus on your shortcomings, but concentrating on your blessings may change your mentality and bring you more of what you want. Remember that thankfulness produces a powerful energy that may shift your vibration from lack to abundance. It takes time to change your attitude about money. It takes patience, effort, and consistent practice. You set the foundation for a transforming financial journey by participating in visualization, affirmations, and appreciation. Another critical step is to include mindfulness into your financial path. Being mindful entails being totally aware of your current situation, especially your financial habits. Mindfulness assists you in making more deliberate financial decisions, connecting your actions with your goals. It's about being present in your financial path, knowing the implications of each decision, and avoiding thoughtless purchasing. Setting specific financial objectives is another factor to consider. Goals provide you with direction and purpose. They might be short-term, such as saving for a trip, or long-term, such as establishing a retirement fund. Having defined goals might help you to match your activities with your dreams. Make a plan, write down your goals, and keep track of your progress. Seeing your progress toward your objectives may be extremely motivating and in line with the law of attraction. Networking and surrounding oneself with like-minded people may also be beneficial. Engage with others who have similar financial goals to you or who have already attained them. This can give you useful insights, inspiration, and possibilities. Learning from others' achievements and failures might help you chart your own financial course and avoid common traps. It is also critical to educate oneself about finances. When it comes to money management, knowledge is power. Read books, attend conferences, or enroll in financial literacy classes. Understanding many facets of money, such as investing, budgeting, and saving, allows you to make more educated decisions. By training you to detect and grab financial opportunities, this self-education corresponds with the law of attraction. It is critical to practice resilience. Financial adventures are seldom easy, There will be setbacks and difficulties. However, it is critical to perceive these as learning opportunities rather than failures. Resilience entails overcoming financial losses with a stronger, more educated attitude. It entails learning from mistakes and not allowing them to dictate your financial future. Balance is critical. While setting financial objectives is vital, don't allow them to take precedence over other elements of your life. Balance your desire for prosperity with your own well-being, relationships, and other life objectives. After all, genuine riches is more than simply money. It is also living a satisfied, balanced life. This comprehensive approach is perfectly in sync with the law of attraction, resulting in a life that is wealthy in every way, not just monetarily. Conclusion. Finally, it is critical to recognize that changing your thinking may dramatically improve your financial situation. At its heart, money is nothing more than energy. When you begin to see it as a helpful instrument that allows you to achieve your goals, you begin to attract more riches. So, take the initiative right now. Consider your financial goals, confirm your ability to create money, and value your present assets. Change your thinking and attracting riches will become second nature. Furthermore, it is critical to incorporate these ideals into your daily life. It's one thing to comprehend the law of attraction theoretically, but it's quite another to put it into practice on a daily basis. Begin by examining your financial thinking. Are they based on fear and scarcity, or on plenty and confidence? Remember that money isn't necessarily bad, nor is it the ultimate source of happiness. It's a type of energy that reflects your interior beliefs and attitudes. Changing these mental habits is the first step toward a more prosperous existence. Furthermore, practical behaviors such as budgeting, investing, and wise spending correlate with this newfound mentality, transforming theory into action. Finally, keep in mind that financial plenty is a journey rather than a destination. It is about constant development, learning, and adaptability. Keep an open mind when it comes to financial plans, and be able to adjust when your circumstances change. By adopting a growth and adaptability attitude, you not only attract riches, but also keep and extend it. The path to financial independence is a continual one, and each step forward driven by a positive mentality and practical action puts you closer to your objectives. Did you find our video helpful? Share and enjoy your opinions in the comments section.